Too small for that slide over there. She can't get up the steps. How you gonna get her up the steps? She too small for that slide. I keep telling you, she too small for that slide. This the slide she should be on over here. Why they don't listen? Why she don't listen? But let's see. Kylie is resilient. No, stop. Let her see if she climb up it by herself. Telling you that's too big for her. But Kylie might try to tackle it. You going up the steps? You gonna go up the steps? She can't get up the steps for playing with the...
She coming up here?
I don't know. She can't get past the straw dust.